Here's a short video on how you can create a client profile in Expert Pro. In Expert Pro, the applications for your clients can be organized in a client profile. You can have multiple applications under a client profile. Client profiles are effective tools for organizing your CRM, as you can build your automations and marketing strategies using client profiles. Additionally, you have the option of using your client profile to organize your client's data using our features such as notes, checklists, activities, and more. There are two ways to create a client profile in Expert Pro. The first method involves using the application, and the second involves creating the client profile directly on a board. If you want to create a client profile using the client's application, you will first need to go into Applications in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Applications, you will be presented with a list view of all your clients and their applications. You will notice a button next to your client that says Add to Board. If the button next to your client says View on Board, it indicates that the client already has an existing client profile. Click on the Add to Board button and select the board you want to place your client on. Once you select the board, the client profile will be created automatically and placed on that board. You are now in the client profile and can explore the various features. If you are looking to create the client profile directly on the board, you will first need to locate the board you want to place the client profile in. To do this, click on Board in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Board, locate the board by using the drop-down next to the board name and click on it. Once you are on the board, you will notice a button in the top right corner which says Create New Client. Click on Create New Client and you can enter in the details such as their name, the email address, and phone number. Once you have entered the details, click on Create New Profile. You will be redirected to the newly created client profile. That's how you can create a client profile in Expert Pro.